Okay, let's continue our topic.
Okay.
Okay, so complete the sentences with the correct words. Please use the pictures of the clues. Okay, what kind of blank are available? What are your policies regarding blank? Okay, so you have to choose the four. Okay, so what are the four? Mileage, rent. Okay, look at the four one here. Okay, the
Okay.
red one, vehicles, rent, insurance, and mileage.
Okay.
Yes, please use that one.
Teacher, can you show me the questions?
Okay, so I will show you the question. So remember the four words, vehicles, rent, insurance, and mileage. Wait,
Okay.
wait. Okay, so this one.
Okay, teacher, I'm finished.
Okay, so what is the answer for number one? What kind of blank are available? What kind of?
Visions,
Okay, what kind of
be
vehicles? Vehicles. Vehicles,
equal.
it means car. Okay. How many
Yes.
what are your policies regarding mileage? Very good. Three. Okay, is the blank already included? Okay, very good. Insurance. Four. I'd like to
I like
rent
to rent.
an SUV for a
Rental.
week. Yay, very good. So rent, it means you are gonna use the car and you are gonna pay. Okay. So fill the chart boxes with the right questions to ask when you want to rent a car. Okay. So you have to use A, B, C here. Number one, what is the answer? How can I help you today? What do you think is the best answer? A, B, or C? You write the letter only.
Okay. Ba mới gọi cho ta sang đó mày. Mô, ba mới gọi con sang. Con ba hay ở chỗ Hồ. Không, ta cấp máy. A, B, C, D, E, F, okay, teacher.
Okay. So what is number one? How can I help you today?
It's letter B.
Okay, letter B. I would like to rent a car. What kind of vehicle do you have? We have sedan and SUV. Okay, number two, what is the answer?
It's letter C.
The letter C. Okay, so how much is the rent? It's $120 per day. How much is the rent for the SUV? Number three, that's it. Okay, and the last number, number three, what is the answer?
I think it's letter A.
Okay, what are your policies regarding insurance? Very good. Yay. Okay, this one. Have a conversation with your teachers about renting a car. Okay, let us have to do a conversations. Okay, ask about the following. Okay, available vehicles, rent insurance, mileage, and gasoline. The challenge, Tono, is what would you do if your drive license was not qualified to hire a car? Okay, what would you do? if your driver, if your drive license was not qualified to hire a car. Example, you have a license, driver license, but your license is not qualified to hire a car. What you will gonna do? Okay? So you think of the questions. We'll have to do conversation. Okay, I will have to talk. Okay, so our topic is about
Okay.
vehicles, about the rent. You will ask me how much is the rent. You will gonna ask me is there insurance. You will gonna ask me how much or how long is the mileage. Okay, after that, teacher
Okay.
will gonna answer.
Okay. Okay, teacher.
Okay. So let us have this. Okay. So
Yes.
hello, good evening. So what can I do for you?
I would like to rent a car. What kind of vehicles are available?
Okay. So what so we have available sedan only. So do you like it?
Okay, how much a car? How much the how much does it cost to rent this car?
Okay. It's roughly $20 per day.
Is insurance already included?
Insurance? Yeah, insurance is already included.
How much insurance?
Like you will gonna add $5.
Oh, okay. Hey, I would like to rent this car for a week. What are your plans regarding mileage?
The mileage, like it's already 40,000 mileage.
Oh, okay. Uh I will refill the data before I return to you, and I would like to rent this car for a week.
Okay, thank you so much for renting the car. I hope you enjoy your travel. And please, if you have problem, you can tell me ahead of time. And if you want to extend, you can call me also. Okay? Thank you.
Okay.
Yes, very good, Tono. So this is only a simple conversation. Okay, Tono, we don't have enough time. So teacher, and we'll see you on when? When are you available? Are you free tomorrow? No, Saturday? Saturday afternoon.
Saturday.
Okay?
Saturday afternoon, I had to go to school to take an
Okay.
exam.
8 p.m. in the night time.
8 p.m. Saturday. Okay, I'm free
Okay, or
this.
Saturday or Sunday evening.
Okay.
Tell me, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much, Tono. See you. Bye-bye. Good night.
Good night. Bye
Okay.
bye.
Bye-bye. See you on Saturday or Sunday. Okay? Bye-bye.
Okay. Bye bye.